Keeping a home is repetitive work. Making beds, doing laundry, cleaning the kitchen 3 times in one day, picking up toys, coins, a stray sock, or any other assortment of random items off the floor. Is that just me? I have things in my apron pockets all day long as I go throughout the house, gathering things up that are in the wrong place. For me personally, I love the cooking and food part of it all. Coming up with new ideas for meals, using seasonal ingredients in creative ways, gathering eggs and milk from our little homestead, trying my hand at artisan breads and fermented veggies. The organization part, not so much. That would be my downside. I will leave the boots all over the mudroom and coats on the floor just to spend a little extra time kneading dough in the kitchen. The keeper of the home has a long list of plates to keep spinning. Sometimes it can be a little bit overwhelming, and sometimes parts of it just has to be let go and you have to prioritize. But maintaining a relatively tidy home, organizing paperwork and bills, keeping the pantry and refrigerator stocked, making meals with those ingredients so that nothing goes to waste, swapping out everyone's clothes for the season, even keeping track of the kids' activities and making sure they have cash for those t-shirt orders for Awanas and gymnastics. Or is that just my issue? A lot of little things adding up to big things. Never underestimate the value you bring to your family in keeping a home, making it beautiful with your own special touches, serving a hot, comforting meal that's made from simple ingredients. Some days our family has outside activities, obligations, things that we have to get out of our house and go do, but my best, happiest, favorite days are the ones spent at home serving my family and keeping my home.